Okay, guys, we're here doing our experiment for flammability lemon fireworks. I have my tools, my candle, my lighter, my knife, my lemon, well, the half lemon, whatever, and let's go ahead and jump right in. Okay, I will display the flammability. First, I'm gonna cut the peel out. Yeah, you saw that. Yeah, like that. Then I'm gonna light the candle. Like that. A bit sick. Okay, and then I'm gonna squeeze the lemon peel. Nope, that one didn't work. I already cut some extra ones. Oh, you saw that? Here's another one. Yep. Alright, let's see if this one works. Y'all saw that, right? Yeah. So it worked. And here's a deeper look of our experiment. So a closer look is, as the lemon peel is bent, some of its oil and water squirt into the flame. The oil burns as it passes through the flame while the water evaporates. This causes a sparkle or fireworks.